Ignition of gasoline engine is a type of internal combustion that uses gasoline to power a vehicle. Today I will discuss the four-stroke cycle of gasoline engine. First we have intake, compression, power, and exhaust. First we have intake. The purpose of intake is to vacuum air fuel mixture to enter the combustion chamber. The function is intake valve will open and the piston from TDC move to BDC to create vacuum, and the air fuel mixture will enter the combustion chamber. And the piston is on the BDC, that's the end of intake. Next is compression. The purpose of compression is to compress air fuel mixture. The function is both valves are closed, and then the piston from BDC to TDC move upward and compress the air fuel mixture. Then the piston is on the PDC, that's the end of compression. Next is power stroke. The purpose of power stroke is to create power. The function of power stroke is the spark plug, it will ignite and explode. Then the piston and the piston from PDC move to BDC because the piston absorb the power of explosion. Then the piston is on the BDC, that's the end of power. Then lastly, the exhaust stroke. The purpose of exhaust stroke is to release burn gases. The function of exhaust stroke, the exhaust valve will open, then the piston from BDC move to TDC to push the burn gases and release in the exhaust valve. That's all.